What's going on, guys? Welcome to a new game here on the channel. Today we're checking out some IT specialist simulator. We're going to be diving into the world of IT with this and adding another, I guess, career, some more stuff to our belt, or some more to our arsenal with all of this. And I'm very excited for this one. I know I don't want to say well versed in IT stuff, but I know a bit about it with all this, if I can even speak for whatever reason. But yeah, so I'm excited for this one. This is the demo version of this. The game actually releases the early access or full version of it releases here on November 20th here, and this video is going live on the 18th with this. And actually came across. I was literally just looking at another IT game on Steam, and I was like, what is just looking over on YouTube and everything like that, seeing what people are posting. I saw Rusty is actually doing a stream on this here, which will be yesterday when this video goes live. But so I put in a request for the I put in a request. I can't speak. Put in a request for a key for this. I don't know why I didn't check out the settings here beforehand. But yeah, I put in a request for a key for the, I guess, full version or early access version of this. And I would assume I'd hopefully hear back here from something on this. So if you guys do enjoy this and want to see some more here, drop a like in the video, show it some love and support. And if you guys are new around here checking this out, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below so you guys don't miss out on any videos or streams that I'm doing here for you all. Which, speaking of streams, this Sunday, guys, the 24-hour 10K sub celebration stream is happening with that. So hope to see you guys all there. Been talking about a lot in a lot of videos here. Sure. Oh, minimum. There we go. So difficulty level. If we don't have any experience with the computer configuration, choose computer networks or in the IT industry. We were okay. I'm probably gonna do. We have tips on with that. Just for the sake of, at least for the demo of this and the sake of the potential series in this, I'm just gonna do easy here again. At least on the demo, we can always obviously change it up here with all of this here as the early access version, yeah, or full version of it if we get our hands on that. Yeah, let's go ahead, pop right in here with all this. I'm excited though. Again, I went to a tech school for about a year or so, year and a half for IT stuff, and learned a bit about it myself. And again, I've been oh, kind of forgot about turning off the. Okay, I'm gonna WASD. This is obviously our setup here. Nice little triple monitor setup. I like it. There we go. Left control for crouch, and then left control to stand on up. But yeah, I forgot to turn off the game audio or game music. I don't know why I'm getting so like flustered with here right now, and I can't even speak. But all right, so look left and right using the I see. Got voxelcraft and oh geez, sorry guys, I'm still a little sick right now. But we got voxelcraft and a browser there as well. So run an application with Control R. Okay, and then we got obviously our command window here with this open application ncpa dot c. I don't know. I'm drawing a blank right now what CPL would be. I'm sure some of you guys out here on the watching this are probably actually in the IT field and know more about this. It's been years since I've dealt with any of this kind of stuff too. A lot of it. So go to change network card settings. Open Ethernet properties by right clicking it or double clicking it. Go to the properties. Okay, we're going to Ethernet, right? Go to properties, and see, this is where I'm glad that I'm doing this on easy, because again, I know a bit what I'm doing with this, but nothing really too crazy. Version, are we doing version 4 or version 6? Oh wait, yeah, IPv4 versus 6. Okay, so go to the property. Wait, isn't that what we're trying to do here? Go to the properties of. Oh, properties, duh, right there. Duh. All right, so we're changing our IP address to, so it's not using automatic. Oh, okay, I guess we're typing this in anyways. So we're going to 192.168. I remember these back in the day. Why did that? Dot 10-1. Our subnet mask is going to be, oops, 255, 255, 255.0. And then can we tab? Yes, we can. And then, oh wait, or enable. What? Why is it? Okay, well, I don't see anywhere for us to actually enable that. So, and then do we have a gateway? Addressing means any number in the range from 3 to 255. Remember that default gateway ends with zero point 0.1, so make sure to use a different final number. Are we not, oh, and set the gateway. I see. Oh, okay. Yeah. So we're setting up, which if you guys don't know, your IP address, every device you have on your whether it's a home network or office or whatever, has this, a lot of these, most of these have the same number and then just a different ending number to this. So we'll set up a 2 here, 192.168.10 dash, and then 1. And there we go. And then, nice. So that's that. So we can go ahead and I guess exit on out of all these, with all that, search the web for a job offer. Can I guess I can't. I don't even know how we're supposed to escape out of it. Or like, I'm pushing escape to try to pop up some settings, and it's not doing anything. All right, so yeah, if you guys don't, also with this game, we start out as obviously just like bottom of the barrel type of thing, and we got to work our way up to like kind of a IT specialist type of thing, which is really cool. So we got search the web for a job offer that interests us, and then browser offers. Can we sort it all by? So okay. Truck drive. Oh, I see. Are we not trying to? Okay, I'm not too sure. Looks like there isn't any job offer that interests us yet. Oh, okay. I just realized also. Sorry, guys. I know there's been no game audio for this. I've got it turned off at the moment. Why? This is like a mix of like a Mario and Minecraft kind of thing. What are we even doing? Oh, I see. So we're literally able to just destroy these. Mirrors the only thing we can interact with. Go to the living room and sit on the couch. Okay. Sure. Probably, yeah, I was going to say probably with E. I still can't. Do we have any kind of settings so I can get these? I forgot to. Interesting. This is a nice looking little place. Nice little pad. Like it. Got some controllers there. Sit on the couch, which I don't know how we're supposed to. There's no prompt for that. Why is it not? That's freaking out a little bit. Oh, there we go. Nice. Okay, so turn on the TV. Oh. Why do we have an ad for for the game? So we're going back to our computer, I think. I like how we actually can go. Oh wait. Check the IT category. Ah, there we go. Junior IT service. Nice. We are looking for a young, talented IT specialist. Nice. That includes us. Submit an application. We've completed the tutorial. All right. Okay, so now we can probably pause the game and then get to the settings so I can actually turn off the music. So unfortunately, guys, I just run into too many issues with copyright stuff. Let me wait. Exit for. Okay, let me go ahead and do this real quick. I'll see you guys in just a moment. Okay, there we go. Now we're back to where we just were here, going into our first day at our brand new job. And now you guys actually have some game audio, so my apologies on that. Let me go ahead and move on down here. Yeah, unfortunately, again, I just run into too many issues with copyright stuff. Whenever I'm like, okay, it's fine. I'll leave the music on it every time. Get hit with it. Even like just sometimes just like general things of like doing things like checkout stuff and like shop games and such. ends up with too many issues. So our first job in IT, this could be a great experience or maybe not. We'll see. It's always the way to look at it. It's worth knowing where things are in the company. Open the map to see where we are. All right, so this is our little area in here. So this is the building plan in our map. Thanks to it, we'll definitely be able. Oh well, great, great. Now we know how the map works. Well, I don't really know how it works yet, but we hold down the mouse button. We can. Oh, I see. Find the locker on the map. It's located in the storage area. So can I like? That's our server room in there. I guess is this our storage or where is our storage in? So that's warehouse, HR room, IT room, server, office, kitchen. I don't actually know where it is. Doesn't say storage anywhere, so I guess we'll just try to find it. Oh, here's the lockers, isn't it? Yep, this has got to be it. Right? I mean, here we go. That's going to be it right there. Okay, let me add it. It's fine. All right, this is our locker. We can open it using the interaction key and check what's inside. Nice. As we can see, there's nothing here when we end the day. When the end of the day approaches 10 p.m., we must put away all items we have, and then we can head for the exit. In a locker, we can also store things that simply don't need. We don't need at the moment. All right. Good to know. Hide all the contraband there. Already ahead of the game there. Already closed up the locker. All right, head to the IT room. We need to configure a few things before our first tasks. This was IT. Oh boy, here we go. This is it. Let's see if we can mess up here. This is our office. We're in charge here, but only the second shift. Our senior colleague takes the morning shift, since that's when most of the failures happen, and he has the experience, while we're just the rookie. Well, not for long until we start messing things up. Let's start with configuring the network on our tablet. That sounds like a great idea to start changing everything. So we got our tablet here. Nice little iPad looking thing. Go to the settings, then Wi-Fi. So the Wi-Fi. Select and connect to the visible network. PTSD. Set the eApp method to eApp. All right. Set the second authentication method to this guy and disable. Okay. Set the identity to user and the password to 40123. So we got user and 40123, I believe. I think I typed that correctly. Oh. I just realized it's Q through Y on the keyboard. I don't know if we connected that, but that's all right. Let's open the advanced settings. Wait, what? Let's open the advanced settings or advanced options and enter the pack address. Wait, is that back in here then? Oh, here we go. Okay, so I don't know if we need the hyperlink or not on that. Let's see. Storage dot wiki dot en. Oh, we got a new job offer already. We're already moving up in the world. wpad dot dat. Oh no, it didn't save all this stuff now because I went out of that. Did I mistype that? Uh-oh. I might have messed this up already. Yeah, we still don't have access to this network here now. Oh boy. Yeah, so that's great. Did I type that in right? Pack web address, HTTPS storage.wiki. We've had, okay, yeah, that's, I don't know why that's not working there. Failed to connect. I must be typing this in wrong. I could have sworn it was WERTY123. Yeah, pretty sure that that's, I might have messed this up. Um, I don't really want to have to redo this again, but we might have to. Everything was going so good until I just, oh boy, I feel like I should not be messing with this. We get to mess around with some network stuff here as well. Okay, yeah, let's not mess with that, I guess, for now. That's too funny. I don't also know where our desk is. If I'm assuming this is our senior guide, this is probably ours. Or maybe this. This is probably ours. Looks like an absolute mess here. Yeah, sure. Pick up someone's pen drive. Let's just grab all these patch cords too. We need those. Oh, we need all of them. Give them all. Give them to me. Take a sandwich. Okay. Um, I could have sworn it said that. Try turning it on and off. See now, just an inventory full of them. Oh no, I don't want to. I don't have to redo this again, but I might have to. Why do we have all these? Oh, we got more. Oh no, we can't hold anymore. Okay, I might have to. Yeah, might have to. Okay, I will see you guys here in just a moment when I get this sorted because I think I messed up and I don't want to waste any more time with it. Okay, we are back here with this now, so let's try this again. Go to our Wi-Fi. I'm going to try to follow along with this here. Go to here. I might even literally grab a picture. So we definitely are doing that. Set the second authentication method to this. And disable. Oh, wait. Yeah, do not check. So I can't. QWERTY 1, 2, and 3. Yeah, that's literally what I was doing. I wonder if because I did it out of order or something. Set the identity to user. Okay, so yeah, that is definitely what I was doing. And there's no caps. QWERTY 1, 2, and 3. And then we're going to click show advanced. I wonder if I'm not. Okay, I can't click it anyways. And then let's give this a try here. Storage.wiki.en slash wpad.dat. See, what is going on? Why is this failing? Am I typing that in wrong? HTTPS colon / storage dot wiki dot en slash wpad dot dat. Yeah. Why is that? Do not check. I Unless it does it actually need the no. Those were literally just there for got a pack up address. Uh, yeah, I don't know why this doesn't want to work. Hmm. Well, this is great. All right, guys, let me try to figure this out quick. Oh, okay. I don't know why it just worked there. I don't know. I just didn't just read it again. It just worked this time. So I don't know. Anyways, there we go. So to choose any app on a tablet, we need to press the number or the button located near the very bottom of the device. Oh yeah, that's going to be that guy then. Sorry, to close any, kind of like an iPhone type of thing. We now have access to the network. That's already a big plus. Go to our computer and we'll find it at the end of the IT room by the window. Then sit down at the computer using the function key. Okay, so there we go. Close up our tablet right there, and then yeah, this is going to be our computer right down over here. We can go ahead, sit on down, and then our computer isn't just a regular workstation like the others. It also serves as a server. If it's turned off, some parts of the company systems automatically stop working. Well, why is it off then? Probably not the best thing for that to be turned off. So we'll go ahead, get logged on in here. IT manager. Should we really be on manager? And okay. Anyways, there we go. So this is our little command center. Here we can manage the entire company. Open the browser and go to the wiki storage. All right. So, I guess is this our browser? No, that's a VPN. Do we not have a browser? Yeah, we're connected over there. Obviously, this is our Explorer. We got our mail here. This is going to be okay. So we have various settings and everything there too. Oh, you know what? I guess we probably need to connect to this, don't we? Probably need to connect through VPN here and then maybe not. Open the browser and go to the wiki storage. Or is this our... Hmm. What? Oh, wait, are we trying to... Wait, I bet we're trying to do this on our tablet. Probably what we're doing here. Maybe not. Okay, maybe not. Open the browser and go to wiki storage. Oh, browser right. It was right there. Okay. As we can see, that page cannot be found. This is because the headquarters is in Germany. We're trying to access them directly to reach... Oh. I quit. I mean, we already are on a VPN. Okay, so to use the tab, we must step away from the computer. Okay. Remember, no text field can be active. So 59. on that. Authentication. We got a one-time passcode. Wait, what? Fortunately, the nearest access point is in the hallway. The further we are from the... Oh, so we need to go get a code from the access point in there. Press E to go back to the computer. I feel like I'm getting behind on this. Now we're connected to the VPN. We can also close the application. It will keep it running in the background, reopen the browser, and go to wiki storage. Okay, why don't we just have a thing for that? But that's fine. Why don't we have like a in our taskbar down here or anything like that? But that's okay. There we go. It worked. Now we have access to the data from the entire company, which has several branches in different countries. Check the procedures. Okay. As we can see, there's a list of files to download here. These are mostly procedures that will make our work easier and expand our knowledge. Download any file. I mean, yeah, we're gonna download everything. Download it all. Network, proper operation. Download everything. The folder. Wait. Put the downloads in the file explorer. Just keep everything open. As you notice, the file has a strange icon. This is because the computer doesn't have an application. Open PDF files. Left click on the downloaded file. Which file? I don't know which one it wants. Send to the cloud. Definitely an interesting game for sure. I don't know which one it wants. That's the thing. Interesting. So we got a lot of stuff going on here. Yeah, it's all going to just be text files. Notepad through Notepad. Okay, so we probably don't need that since it says copy. So obviously I downloaded that twice. Yeah, I don't know which one it wants us to download. Or which one it wants us to open. Is it just the password for it since that was the first one? Sure. All the lines of code. Oh wait, we can open the file in Notepad, but it would look better. It'd be better to look for an application in the store. Click on the blue text to go to the store. What blue text? Probably PDF reader? Sure, we'll just download something. So the game kind of guides us, but at the same time, we're on our own with this. So that's where this might get a little tricky because I don't know which direction this game wants us to take it. Okay, there we go. There we go. Now we got... See, I don't know what... Interesting. Okay. Isn't that what it wanted us to do, though? Download some games? Oh, I was going to say we can play their game within their game. Oh, that'd be too funny. Yeah, I don't know. What else is it wanting us to do? This might be like our little cheat sheet for this overall, I think. I don't know why it's not completing or kicking us to the next step here. We can open the file in Notepad, but it would be better to look for an application in the store. Click the blue text to go to the store. Unless does it want us to use our tablet? Probably not. We've got a PDF reader on here already. Okay. I mean, I would assume that it's wanting us to use... Click the blue text to go to the store. Seems like a great idea. Let's install that. We've never reviewed everything. Oh, that's too funny. Yeah, I don't know why it's not kicking it into... Try to leave leave a dislike. Oh, there we go. Okay, so we're going to open up these various things. Okay, that's pretty cool. I mean, look, we can even do all this too. Like, there's just so much to this. It's like we're running a computer on a computer. I just don't know. Like, that's where it wants us to go. And it's not completing it. Unless it's the wrong file. But I've already opened all of them, so I don't know. Oh, wait, I get it. I get it, what it wants us. It wants us to go through that way to install it. Okay, that's what it was. There we go. I feel like a derp. I'm definitely having some fails with this, but it's okay. Yeah, see, it's not complicated. Well, I just did it a different way. We gain a lot of knowledge using form help or directly from our internal procedures on the wiki. Okay, so open the mail app, check the task category. As we can see, a task has appeared. Open the email and read it. All right, can you set my wallpaper in system colors to something orange? This doesn't seem like an IT thing. It seems like a you thing there, Liliana. Fortunately, nothing serious happened. It's just a simple request to change the wallpaper. Tasks in our company are divided into several categories. Okay. Critical incidents are events that require immediate intervention and repair. Usually, the SLA for such an incident is 4 to 6 hours. In addition to critical incidents, we may also encounter tasks with high, medium, and low priority, as well as service requests. It's important to not to exceed the time we have to resolve a task. If we exceed the time, the reward for completing the task will be reduced by a penalty. However, if we don't complete the task before the end of the shift, when it's already overdue or only 1 hour remains to finish it, we'll receive a penalty. Seems like a lot of penalties here. Press the function key to open task window escape. Okay, so this is our task, and we have 72 hours. As we can see here, we have several pieces of information such as the problem description, device owner, IP address, location, remaining time to complete the task, as well as information about the reward and penalty. Okay, so yeah, we got all of this, the IP location, office 104, or I should say the address and the location, -1 points to reputation. That's fine. It's only 1 point. We can leave it be. All right, we can also help, or we can also help get, we can also get help. Yeah, geez, what am I? We get lost. I need help just speaking here. Click the yellow light bulb in the upper right corner of the screen to learn more. Okay. I'm not seeing a light bulb. Oh boy, are we really? Oh wait, that's what it was. I was going to say we're really going to get stuck again. Find the computer from the ticket on the map. When we hover over the device, we'll see the user's data and additionally the task title. Turn on the computer. Go to personalization settings and yeah. Once you've set the correct wallpaper, return to the task view. Okay. So we need to go to room 104 and I think, yeah, we can get our office 104. Here we go. We have a name on these. That would be a little bit easier. Obviously, I know we have the IP address, but I don't want to go around turning on every computer. Our problems. We have lots of them. Oh, wait. We could probably use the map, can't we? Yeah, nice. So what is this one? All right, we'll go ahead and turn this thing on. When we hover over the device, we'll see the user's data. Additionally, the task title. Turn on the computer, go to the... Okay, so it's wanting us to... Yeah, here we go. Nice and nice. So we'll open this up, go to our settings, personalization. She wanted something orange. And I guess something orange there, I guess, right? Wasn't that what? Taskbars. Are we able to? Oh, that's what it is. And then mark is done. We're just going to submit an application on her behalf. Oh boy. Go to our computer and open our browser. Okay, we're just going to leave that on there because that's what a good IT person does. We're going to leave the door open. Just wait, did it? I don't think ours was this wallpaper before. Go to our computer, open up our browser. All right. Type in 192.168.45.1. There we go. Some devices have their own web interface. When we enter the IP address of a device on a network, you'll see the system that device runs. Devices we can connect to include office printers, network devices, servers, recorders, monitoring, cameras, and more. Nice. Search the help form to find the default password for the router. If we already know it, just type it in. I do not. I know I did see it. Password for organization right here. I literally tried to just bring it over to my other monitor. Oh, that's actually really funny. So we've got Switch and router, admin. Wait, is it actually just admin again? I know this is kind of a real thing. Yeah, admin and admin. There we go. Nice. As we can see, there are several tabs here. The router in our company is an SWWAN router, so it has two connections. One is a fixed line ISP connection, and the other is an LTE module. The router switches to LTT in case of issues with the fixed line. Nice. Good to know. See, I'm learning some things with this. I don't know a ton about like network stuff. I wouldn't mind learning more about it eventually. Currently, we are in the process of changing providers, and the router is only working on LTE. In the coming days, this will change, and a new provider will appear. We'll be informed about this by email. Step away from the computer, then crouch and look at the network sockets on the wall and press the E function key. Okay. And then, so we can disconnect patch cords and replace them. To do this, we must have a patch cord in inventory. These in turn can be found in various places in the building. Don't collect them all because if they don't fit in your our locker, we'll have to throw them away. Okay, interesting. Let's guess we'll grab one of these. I like how we get to do all this too. So disconnect it. And then connect it. There we go. So exit by pressing that. We can also connect USB devices to computer, crouch, and look at the front USB ports on the computer. And press. So we got these two, or these three. As we can see, our computers have 3 USB ports at the front. We can also view the inventory. Currently, we don't have to have anything interesting in our inventory. Exit the port view. Okay. We could use a new flash drive. Luckily, we have one. It's lying on the first desk in the IT room. Find it. Ah, that was what the other one that we found before. Okay, return to the view. And then to connect a USB device, we must select the port and device in our inventory and click connect. So I got to do the port first and then do that. Exit port view and go to the computer. Okay. Let me stand up, I guess, and then go to the file explorer, which as we can see, the computer has 2 drives and a flash drive has appeared. It's currently empty. The flash drive will be useful for a few tasks. For example, we can create a bootable USB with an OS. We need to install the system or repair it. Use the procedures from the wiki and help from the forum help. Network sockets and USB ports aren't the only interactions we can perform. Walk over to the rack, cabinet, IT room, and press on the function key. Okay, obviously we already messed around with this a little bit before. Nothing too crazy, but we can restore factory settings. That's probably not a good idea. As we can see here, we can also change connections between devices and the switch. There should be an order in the company. I hope you'll keep it. Or there should be order in the company. I think it was what it was. Now the ticket just came in. Go to mail and check what broke this time. Remember, forum help and the internal wiki are a huge source of knowledge. And we'll find everything we need. Recently even saw a post about calculating a subnet mask from binary code. Interesting. So we'll go ahead and exit out of here. I guess we'll hop in with our next task here. So we'll exit out of that, and then we don't need this open anymore, at least not for now. And then let's see, is there anything? Ah, so we got all this different stuff in here that we can mess around with then. Nice. Why is our... Was it not in our tasks? Could have sworn that it was. Oh, sorry, what am I thinking is in our mail? Jeez. Sorry, guys. It's been a long day here. So we've got, we can get rid of that. Hello, as per new security policies, the current password in the router must be changed. The old one is too short and insecure. Well, don't be so insecure about yourself there, guy. All right, so we got to change our password here. So we've got 8 hours, just shy of 8 hours in this. So we are probably going to go into, well, this will be interesting. Let's see, form help for this one. Network. I guess we're probably going into our, okay, so it's actually legitimately like forms. I guess we're probably going into our network settings then. So if we go into downloads here, let's see. Do we not just have a, I gotta find our, okay, interesting. We got all that. I guess it's probably right in here then, isn't it? Security, there we go. So, so admin, and did they say a password at all? I don't remember. Wait, I guess we probably can just go to here, right? Data for task, which is yet where we're in. I don't know, do we need a, do we have a thing for passwords? So I've already got admin. Now, did that update our thing? Because I'm definitely not going to remember that. Mark is done. So did that update our... It did not. So I did Austin Blaze IT. I was kind of hoping it was just going to be like an auto update type of thing then for that. So, I mean, sure. Permanently delete. We don't need it. Job offers and spam. Yes, let's go clicking on all the links. Probably should go through and delete these. Is that, I think that's about the end of our first day there then, isn't it? We got a new task here then, I guess. Maybe. Computer crash. I'm getting a blue screen with a long error and something about a driver issue. Everything was working fine before. Now I can't do anything. Could this be related to that weird BIOS setting? I think I mentioned it. I think it mentioned something about IOMMU. Let me take a look. Sure, I guess. Start the computer and check the problem. I guess we'll try and take a look at this quick. Let's see. Oh my, this has actually been very long. Gregory Wilhelm. Right here. All right, so we'll fire this thing on up. Mr. Gregory. Like, how we just somehow, well, I guess, yeah, we would probably have his login. And I'm expecting some sort of crash. Oh, there we go. Driver corrupted. Okay. Does the game give us any information here? Hmm. So if we go to F8. Sure. Reboot. So we obviously need something of a drive. There's some kind of driver issue. Is it just not? Oh, is this? Oh yeah, because I have the wrong boot in there. That'd be why. Maybe not. Safe mode with Ethernet? I thought that's what I did. Reboot. Is 9 gonna boot? Uh-oh. I don't know what we're supposed to do with it with this then. Hit it with a hammer? Wait, can we use our... I think this is really all beneficial stuff. I'm trying to see here. Are we... Oh yeah, we're getting even more stuff now. Is that what we just did? Hmm. I guess that's not the same person. I thought that was. Okay. Yeah, I don't know what we're supposed to do with that then. It's... I guess maybe with this. Oh, here we go. So use safe mode to start the computer, then launch. Well, yeah, that would have been good to know. See, I don't know. I don't know that at all. Minus the safe mode. That's where the tips are helpful there. So let's go ahead and exit. Let's go launch option. I can't speak. Launch options. So use safe mode to start the computer, then launch. See, it's not gonna let us launch though. That's the thing. Think we did something here. What if we actually like fully... Yes. Can I not shut it, actually fully shut it down? I don't know why it's not even... Yeah, we definitely messed something up here. Um, give me this. Let me add that. Oh man. Okay. I think this is where we're gonna call this one here, guys. So if you guys want to see some more of this, I mean, I'd be down to play some more of this. It's definitely an interesting game, and I'm spending way more on this than I wanted to or plan to. But I don't know why this is not letting me like actually even reboot. I'm trying to push F1 here to reboot, and obviously it won't allow me to boot into just safe mode, which is what I'm trying to do. And obviously we can go into the BIOS here, and it does not help. It's pretty cool though. We got a lot that we could do with all this. Yeah, secure boot state is disabled. So it doesn't let us boot into the safe mode then, I guess. Hmm. Interesting. So I'm trying to... Wait. Oh, there we go. Okay, this is actually in the safe mode now. Nice. There we go. So event VWR. No, that's what was it? Yeah, with all these tips, I would be completely lost. I don't know if I need that. Oh no. There we go. And then what? Find the error information and search online or oh wow. So I guess that doesn't really help us too much. Let's see here. Interesting. Okay, so yeah, here's our issue actually. And it says hmm. Yeah, so this is our issue then. Fatal error driver. So driver corrupted X pool. But see, like, how do we get the said drivers then? Dang, again, it doesn't let me restore it. Oh man. Trying to think here how we would. Hmm. Find the error. Complete the task. Okay. Find the error information, search online or in the procedures. So what if we do our... Do we not have the forms in here? Okay, let me go take a look real quick. form help. Okay. Yeah, so I think we're gonna call it this one here, guys. So let me know what you guys think of this. If you guys want to see another video on this, I'd be down to do another one, but obviously they definitely have a lot to learn with this. And it's an interesting game for sure, and I do like it. But yeah, like I said, let me know what you guys think. If you guys want to see some more here, drop a comment down below. But if you guys enjoy this here, drop a like in the video, show it some love and support. And if you guys are new around here checking this out, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below so you guys don't miss out on any videos or streams that I'm doing here for you all. So thank you all so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed, and I will see you on the next one. Peace out, guys.